Hey guys, this is the first weekly on the Underdog Dentist Show, brought to you by Likhani Healthcare Solutions. In the past couple of weeks, and majorly in the last week itself, we have received a lot of inquiries from clients, prospects, from friends. They have seen a drop in the total number of Google reviews on their Google business profile. The good thing is it's happening with everyone across the globe, and it's not just pertinent to healthcare businesses. So it'll get corrected on its own. We at Likhani Healthcare Solutions, however, want to take a step ahead and want to help you all so that you can escalate this concern to Google. And if at all this concern gets resolved later, you are able to get back those Google reviews to your account. If you have an active account with Likhani Healthcare Solutions, don't worry, we have got you covered. We have raised a concern to Google and we'll be sharing the case IDs soon. And if you still don't have an active account with us, it's the right time to think and plan about your marketing strategies. Just contact me through DM, through WhatsApp, through any other source that you are able to find. Look up Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook, or wherever you are able to see this. Further to this, I'll be helping you in how you can escalate your concern directly to Google through an email. In return, I would like to ask for two things. One is that you share this with everyone, every friend who has been facing a similar challenge, so that they can escalate their complaints directly to Google. And second, drop a comment if you were successfully able to escalate a request directly to Google. And if at all you need any help, please feel free to reach out to me. Let's dive into the process of how you will be able to raise a ticket with Google. So the first step is to locate the support page, and we'll be sharing a link to this, and you'll be able to find the link in the description and the comments down below. So in on this particular page, navigate to the contact us option, clicking on contact us. On this page, you'll be asked to provide your Google business account. Make sure you are logged in from your account that has the access to that Google business profile. Select your business. In this case, we have selected our own profile. Now, in this particular section, tell us what we can help you with. Just mention reviews, click on next. It will ask, it'll give you a lot of options. Click on review missing, click on next step. Then forget about this. This is the knowledge base that you can read, but for now, let's click on next. Click on email. This is the only option that will be available to you. Put your name. I'll just drop in my name. I'll put my number. So let's forget about that for now. I am the owner. If you are an owner, just mention that. If you are somebody who is managing some clients, good for you. Choose that option and go ahead. Put your business name and your business address. It should match with your Google business profile. For people who have keywords attached, make sure to copy the exact Google business profile name and the Google business profile address in this particular section. What's your Google business profile ID? You can use this knowledge base to get the Google business ID, or I'll explain how you can get your Google business ID in a short while. Has your profile recently been suspended? No. Does your profile elementary school? No. If you are able to get hold of the number, just mention that. So I would just choose 1 to 10. Are new reviews being published on your profile? Yes, or even I'm not sure. If you know that you were able to see new reviews, click on yes. Otherwise, click on I'm not sure. Mention about the time frame, name of the reviewers. If you feel that you know and recall a couple of names of a couple of reviews, not a mandatory step, but it is definitely going to help these people. You can describe your issue completely, that we have been seeing a drop in the reviews. We were able to see that the new reviews are not going live. How many reviews were removed? Previously, the count was this, and now the count is this number. This kind of information will definitely help the Google team to help you reinstate the reviews. Click on submit and you are done. Now, how to get the business ID of your Google Business profile? You need to go to business.google.com, and in the top right corner, you'll see three dot menu. Click on business profile settings. Under advanced settings, you'll be able to see the business profile ID. And this is how you'll be able to raise a concern and get your case ID. Make sure to check your email inbox. Make sure to check your email inbox for the case ID. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at any moment. That's all from me today in this weekly episode of the Underdog Dentist Show. Goodbye and take care.